Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So lately, if you have been following the crypto stories around the world, you would know that Elon Musk has been speaking a lot about crypto, especially about Dogecoin. And recently he even spoke about Shiba. So today in this particular video, I wanted to try and analyze whether Shiba is really living on the mentions of Elon Musk. So obviously, Shiba has taken a drop in its price value since he first mentioned about the coin. But I do also feel that there is a great potential for Shiba, although Shiba is pretty much it is dependent on Dogecoin. So anyway, so let's talk about it and let's try and analyze, on this particular point on Shiba's existence, whether it's really dependent on the mentions of Elon Musk. So let's try and understand that particular point. So before I show you my presentation deck, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please comment on my videos. Please share my videos with people who you think would really benefit from my research, learning, and my knowledge. And also smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. So without much ado, let's talk about it. So let's try and understand how Shiba really gained popularity. So on May 7th, Elon Musk tweeted that he's looking to buy Shiba Pop. And on May 14th, he tweeted a clear statement that he was getting a Shiba because coin he claims resistance is futile. So he was desperate to buy one. Now, remember, before all this happened, he did speak about Dogecoin, and he's at some point in time said that his company would accept Dogecoin as a mode of payment. Also, you would know Charles Bukherjee, who's a Chinese billionaire venture capitalist, mentioned about Shiba in multiple posts on Weibo to more than 11 million followers of his. So those are the top, I would say the influencers talking about Shiba in the last couple of months. So Doge, which is Shiba is Doge number 2, hit an all-time high. So that's what Charles said, that I hope it hits an all-time high. Now, obviously, so like I said, these posts as well as listing of the coin on Chinese exchanges like Binance, Huobi, and OK Exchange correlated with the rise of Shiba coin price to about 300%. Now, one point to keep in mind is that no one knows on the promoters or the people behind Shiba. So, given all these kinds of communication or influencers making comments, Shiba getting listed on Chinese stock exchanges, it won't be. It will be a judgmental comment to make that chances are that the promoters are from China. Now that's my point of view. I may be absolutely incorrect, but that's entirely my point of view. So now let's look at the chart, the Shiba USD graph. This is a chart which I took a snapshot maybe a couple of hours ago when I was preparing this deck. So you see it went up sometime in May and it actually has come down. So at this point in time when I took this particular chart snapshot, the price was at 0.000007954 dollars. So that's where we are at. Now we'll try and understand why did Shiba price drop. So Shiba, the developers sent Buterin, the founder of Ethereum blockchain, half of their owned tokens in hopes that he would keep them, giving the coin more exposure and reducing its volatility. What Buterin did was he donated 90% of those tokens, Shiba tokens, to an Indian COVID-19 relief fund. And at that gesture took 40% of Shiba's token out of circulation because they were already given away. And Shiba dropped 35%. And Buterin went on to say that he plans to donate the remaining 10% of Shiba coins to charity. So it's all in all, it's that donating or giving away half of the own tokens by the founders, by the developers of Shiba to Buterin really did not work. Further, what also happened is that rise of Shiba coin is mostly referred to the popularity of its rival, the Dogecoin, which is supported by Elon Musk. Elon Musk didn't appear in the Saturday Night Live and instead said that Doge is a hustle and created as a joke, which was true. It was created as a joke. So that brought down the price of Doge 35% in just 24 hours. And now what is the support for Shiba? Well, recently, Elon Musk took the stage for Shiba. So he coined the name Floki for the Shiba Inu dog, the face that you can see. So he put in a name for that particular dog. And after that tweet, the Shiba price went up 25%. And as a result, what also happened was that the supporter of Dallas Mavericks, so I'm sorry, the previous point has been repeated here. So the supporter of Dallas Maverick and the owner of Dallas Maverick, who is Mark Cuban, he felt that the Doge price will actually hit $1. Now, you would also know that Doge, the fate of Shiba is linked to the price fluctuation of Dogecoin. So obviously that means that if Doge is going to hit $1, Shiba price is also going to rise. Probably not to $1 because it's too far off from $1, but to some extent. So those were the reasons, so those were the support that Shiba received from these eminent people, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. So overall, I too feel that there is a underlying support for Doge, and hence there is a support for Shiba. I did mention that in one of the videos where I had spoken about Shiba extensively. I will put that video on the card above. Please take a look at that. And a lot of people would say that these coins will not exist in the future. I do not agree to that. I do see that these coins will exist and will probably make some kind of an effect in the market. And because they are being supported by some famous personalities, billionaires, so chances are that they will remain unless they are kicked out by a better coin or a coin which is far more supported by these billionaires in the tech industry. So that's it, guys. That's what I had today to share with you. So I wanted to give you a sense on if Shiba is really being supported by Elon Musk, or probably even Mark Cuban for that matter, or some of those billionaires in the tech industry. So I hope you get a sense here. As you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to a Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about my journey, what I did, how I started my company. Now I have 2 companies in Singapore and in India with representations in the US markets or North American markets, I would say. In this particular book, I even put down 3 worksheets which essentially deal with your mindset to becoming an entrepreneur. You could score yourself and see where you stand. I have scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010. You would also find how much I scored myself, and you will know where I stood then. So the link to download the book is flashing on the screen. It's on my website. I will put the link in the description box below. Please go there, put on your name and email address, and the eventual link to download the book will be emailed to you into your inbox. I hope you like my ebook. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you like my analysis. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I would put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box so that you could connect with me. I regularly work with companies on business, marketing, technology, and investment to find solutions to their challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant for your company or startup, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you've connected with me on the message, or you could connect with me. You could write to me on the contact page of my website. A URL to that will also be there in the description box below. So then we will get in touch and we'll have a conversation. So that's it. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash the notification bell. Please comment on my channel as well. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my analysis, from my work. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye-bye.